Learn how to fix the ntoskrnl.exe error. Watch this tutorial to the end to complete all steps correctly. Open Windows Settings. Search for Windows Update. Update Windows to the latest version. Then open Command Prompt. Press Windows plus R. Type CMD and press Enter. Run Command Prompt as administrator. Run this command. Press Enter and wait for it to finish. Next, run this command DISM online cleanup image restore health. Wait for the DISM scan to finish. Then run this command chkdsk/f/r. Follow any on-screen prompts. Restart your PC when finished. This should fix the ntoskrnl.exe error. Thanks for watching. See you next time.